Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to do a little tip trick kind of thing to show you when you've got an application like I've got Notepad here that you click on it and nothing actually comes up. You're clicking and it doesn't do anything. Now to fix this, what I would do is right click on it, go to Notepad++, right click on that, and then actually what we'll do is it's not there, so you've got Notepad open, you've got it right there, so right click there and go to your task manager, and in task manager you should see Notepad++ there somewhere. There it is, and you right click that one and you click on expand, and then you'll see Notepad++ again. You can click on that and then hit maximize. When you maximize, it actually does maximize and it will go to a screen that you may not see, so I'll just bring it across, but you can see it there. It's actually maximized and done what it needs to do. Alright, thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one.